Hi grade 2, welcome back to your second lesson of recorder this term. So hopefully you've been practicing your duets with your friends, family, or your parents, which is still part of your family. And you can tell the difference between a melody and a harmony, and that you don't get confused between them. Because today we're going to be looking at one of the most famous songs of all time, and you've known it since you were 2 years old. Are you ready? Let's take a look. What we have here is Mary had a little goat right there. That looks like a goat, a very full goat. There's its stomach, and there's Mary who's very proud of her goat. Some say it's a lamb, I still think it's a goat. And what we have over here is our brackets. One more time, and what does it show us? That the top line is our melody and our bottom line is our harmony. Top line is our melody, bottom line is our harmony. Notice how the bar line, see that long line there? It stretches between the melody and the harmony in any duets, okay? So, let's start off this lesson, this is what we're going to do this lesson. We're only going to focus on the melody, and next week we're going to focus on the harmony. So let's start off by clapping the rhythm, and then learning the notes, and then we play the notes. So let's go for it. So starting off over here, we have 4 quarter notes, and what do we say for any quarter note? We say ta. Then we have a half note at the end, and we say ta, ah. So let's try and clap out this first line. Remember, we're only looking at the top line, the melody for this lesson, okay? So let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta, 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 ah. Your turn. Together, go. Ta, 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 ah. Now this little thing over here, remember what that is? That is a breath mark. So anytime you see this apostrophe, that means it's time to breathe, because in music it's a breath mark. So take a quick breath and then continue on. Alright, so let's look at the notes that we have here. We have third line, that is a B. Second space, remember any note that is a space, you hit your face, so F, A, that's an A. So we have B, A. Then the second line, we said every, good. So that's a G. So we have B, A, G. And then this one is in another space. That's the same as that one. So that means it's an A. So B, A, G, A. So let's try and play that out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Again, go. It's coming. The melody is starting to stick in our heads. So let's go to the next bar. This one's super easy. It's all, which note? Take a moment to look at it. Which note is it? B. Yes. So we have B, B, B. So this one is held for 2 beats. So ta, 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 ah. But it's all the same note. B. So let's try to play that second measure. 3, go. Again, 3, go. Let's try to put bar 1 and bar 2 together. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Let's hear you try it. 1, 2, 3, go. Super easy. All right, let's go to our next line. So this is our next part over here. Let's focus on the melody. So just like this measure, the second measure had three of the same note, we're going to have, again, 3 of the same note. We're going to have 3 A's right over here. So A, A, A. Then B, B, B. So bar 3 and bar 4 just have the same note, repeated 3 times. So here we have A, here we have B. So let's try and play this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Again, go. Then let's go to bar number 4, which is a B. 3, go. Again. Let's try to put bar number 3 and bar number 4 together. 3, go. All right, let's take it from the beginning, the top line here. to here. Make sure you don't get confused by the harmony. We're not playing the bottom line. And don't forget to breathe wherever you see a breath mark. So here at the end of bar 2 and the end of bar 4. So let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, really easy. Now this part over here, bar 5, it's exactly the same as which bar? Try and take a quick look and find out which bar is exactly the same as this. It's bar number 1. So bar 5 and bar 1 are the same. So that means we already know bar 5 because we just played the exact same thing over here. So B, A, G, A. Let's play that one more time. One more time. Go. Alright, let's play this whole part. The first line and the second line. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, you know what's coming next. Let's take it to the next side. So what we have here is the same thing that we had in bar number 2 and in bar number, let's see, that's bar number 4. So 4 B's one more time. Except now instead of having a half note at the end, we have 4 quarter notes. So it's all ta, 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 ta. Alright? And then we take it back to the last 2 bars. So let's try this bar. 1, 2, 3, go. Super easy. Go again. Alright, and then let's take it from this bar to the end. So what we have here is 2 A's, A. Third line is a B, and the second space back to A. So A, B, A, and we finish on G for 3 beats. Okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Again. Let's try this whole last line from here. 1, 2, 3, go. Make sure you hold that for 3 beats and not for 2 beats. Don't be too quick to finish it. Always 3 beats. Alright, so now let's try and play the entire piece. Miss Vanessa will help me remove this sheet. But don't forget you also have it as a PDF file on your file section. So make sure you open it up so that you can also be able to see it without having to watch the video. Okay? Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so super easy. Just remember 4 B's and then AA. Sometimes it sounds like whose fleece was, then we change the notes, but here it's all the same, okay? So rewind, listen to it a couple of times, and try your best to be able to play it by yourself. This is a super easy one to memorize, especially since you already know the song. So master that melody, and next week we'll come back and play the harmony. Have fun, and to let your parents be singing Mary Had a Little Lamb the entire week. It's a whole lot of fun. See you in the grade 2.